Let us learn the trick how you can solve this particular question within few seconds and save time for the other questions as well. So here it is given that the selling price is now 25 times of the previous selling price. So let us assume that the previous selling price is 100. So now the new SP, that is the new selling price, will be 25 into 100, that is 25 times. Now it is said in this case, that is in the case where we are selling it at 100, it is a loss, and when we are selling it at 2500, it is a profit. So we know that in case of loss, the CP will be more than SP. So here we are writing CP, that means in the number line if you place, then it is more than SP. CP is more than SP, but here in this case it is a profit, that means CP is less than SP. So we are placing CP in between these two values, so that here CP is more than SP and here CP is less than SP. So now, as it is said that in both the cases, in case of loss it is same percentage loss, and in case of profit it is same percentage of profit. So the value, that is the loss and the profit, will be same. So here in case of loss it is minus x, and in case of profit it is plus x. Now we will find out the difference. So from this x, if you subtract minus x, then what you will get? You will get x minus, and we have minus x. This will be equal to 2500 minus 100. So let us further solve it. So we are getting over here x plus x, and on the other hand we are getting 2400. So 2x is equal to 2400. From here we can find out the value of x. So x will be equal to 2400 divided by 2. That is 1200. So what is the value of 1200? 1200 is the value of x. So this is also 1200, and in this case this x is also 1200. Now what you need to see is, you need to find out the cost price. So in this case it is a loss. So if you add SP plus loss, you will get CP, that is 1200 plus 100, we are getting 1300. Or what you can do is 2500 minus 1200, that is selling price minus profit, you will get the cost price. So 1300 is the cost price. Now you are asked to find out the loss percentage. We know loss percentage is loss divided by CP multiplied by 100. So here the loss is 1200. So 1200 divided by cost price, that is 1300, multiplied by 100. So 0 and 0 you just cancel. Here 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So you are getting 1200 divided by 13% as your final answer.